Okay, yo guys, it's your boy Danilo. Today we'll be playing Island Royale. It's just like Fortnite and Roblox. So we'll be playing that. And remember to drop a like, subscribe, don't dislike it, like. Okay. Look, I'm on my thing. Let's see. Which shop? No. Codes? No. Locker? No. Lobby? Item shop? What can we buy? That might be cheap. Okay, let's just go to lobby and let's play. Zone Wars. There's solo. Let's do duels. It's my first time playing this game. And this video's edited. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And let's see. Match starting. Sorry if I don't have webcam on. I didn't feel like putting the webcam on. Actually, I didn't want to put the webcam on. So that's why I don't have the webcam on. Okay, let's see. This looks hard. This just looks like Fortnite. This actually looks like Fortnite. E. Okay. Actually, no, I'm just gonna post it straight to YouTube. No editing. Since I haven't been posting that much, guess I'll just post it straight to YouTube. In 10 seconds, we'll be launching off. Ooh, I hit damage on him. Leave a like if I get a win on the first try. Hello? Can the chat hear me? How do you phase? Let's see where we're landing. It feels like playing Fortnite right now. I'm gonna jump out. We're landing. I'm gonna call this we're landing Freaky Fados. Oh, Freaky Fields. We're landing here and I'm grabbing a gun and I'm shooting people as soon as I grab it. Where's the gun? Let's go for the bus. Here we got the medikit. What is this? Oh, I see a chest. Guys, we just got a chest. Seriously, if I get a win on the first try, you guys have to hit that like button. Oh. Pump shotgun. Ooh. So it's ALT. It says ALT to. Oh, here. Got him! Oh my god, I just got him. Okay, let's drink it. Burst assault rifle. We can switch that with this. Sorry if I'm like a bad at this game. I just started playing. Like 2. Oh, someone's right there. Got him! Revolver. We can actually switch that with an E. Bow ammo, we could probably eat that. It's like my first time ever playing, and it's like really easy. Like, what the heck? Okay, let me grab this. I have 2 kills. Ooh, look how many chests there is. Ooh, SMG. Ooh, silence? Ooh. Is that a hunting rifle? No. Okay, no. Oh, okay, good. I think I'm in the safe zone. Instead of 3, let's change this to a spotted rifle. Then, okay. I'm gonna stop opening chests. I feel like fighting some people. Ooh, I got 2 kills with 18 people left. Let's see. Let's hit on some shots. See someone. Okay, I'm coming to that one. This is how you run fast. X. Let's see how good. Let's see if this is actual Fortnite. Ooh, I can crack some 90s. Oh, crouch. Let's stop. Don't press F. Scared. Let's grab him with the shotgun, because the shotgun is kind of strong. Or heck is strong, I meant, like. I see someone. Let's go grab them real quick. See? Let's get them before they get away. We're here. Let's grab them. They're teaming. They're teaming. They're teaming. I'm reporting. How can I report? They're teaming. Oh yeah, I remember. I'm playing duels. Duh. 0. Oh my god, I totally forgot. I just thought about it. It said Lord. He made another game, right? He made some like lots of games. I think he made another game because that name sounds so familiar. Yeah, he made Theme Park. That's what I remember him from. He made Theme Park. No, he didn't. Oh my god. What did he make? Okay, whatever. Let's just get back. Let's play solos. Solos. Play, because... Do I have any friends to invite? Because, like, none of my friends are all playing. They're all just leaving me by myself. Oh my god, how do I forget that I'm playing duels? I was just playing and I forgot that we're playing duels. Oh my god. Oh my god. God. I'm gonna upload more videos. And plus, I'm getting a haircut on Thursday. So, it's gonna be what I look like on Thursday. I'm not gonna have the afro anymore. I think I'm gonna look like 2018 Nilo. If you don't know what that is, it's no hair Nilo. Ash, what do you call it? Shout out to some of my classmates. I know they're sub to my channel. In Elijah's channel. If you remember, they were in my second grade class, because that's when 2018. Remember me with the no hair? Actually, I'm not even sure. Was it no hair me? Yeah, it was no hair me in second grade. And I was fathead. No point. Okay. I need a win. Oh my god, of course, when I pull it up, it just shows the straight page. Hold on. Guys. Okay, guys, now we're back. How do you even thank the copyright? YouTube, why do you have copyright? No. It's a stupid purse. It goes, of course, the only thing I think. YouTube, why do you have copyright? We're going to Lily Lake. We're landing here. Actually, no, we're landing at this house right here. We're landing at this depot. It's called Dirty Depot? Dirty Depot. Okay, let me open it up. E. Ooh. Okay. Oh yeah, by the way, the video automatically ends at 15 minutes if you're new to my channel. If you haven't watched one of my videos yet, I'm Danilo Everything. I make Roblox videos. I make any videos. I make videos with my friends. Anybody. And oh my god, I see someone. Go. Oh my god. Got him! That's for messing for me. You know, guys, remember to comment down your Roblox username down below, and I'm guaranteed to answer it because I look at my comments. I look at my comments. If you guys didn't know, I actually look at my comments, and it also gives me an alert if I get a new comment, so I actually look at it. Ooh, I want that Tommy gun. Give me that Tommy gun. And take the pistol over the, what do you call it? Yeah, this is the bit. Oh, right here. What? He sniped at me? Okay. 0. Oh. Okay, I guess this is the end of the video here, guys. It's your boy, Danilo Everything, out. Peace. And just have the outro music. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's just hold on. Let me go to my main screen real quick and end it here. Okay, so you got your boy out.